did try to Shanghai, but I tour turned out to be slower. But the Shanghai can be used, so it's back to medium. So yeah, passing bad that one too.
It's the wind that's making it cold. It's gonna be bad, yeah. One more day, then it warms up.